Salam everyone, I'm back with a crispy samosa recipe. I've listed all the ingredient details in the video as well as in the description box below. So first we'll take half kg of potatoes and boil them. Also add in half tablespoon of salt. Till the potatoes get boiled, we'll prepare the spice mixture. Take 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan or pot. When the oil gets heated, add in 150 grams of finely chopped onions. Saute until they are soft, then we'll add in the spices. Here the onions are softened, now we'll add in 1.5 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds. Next add in 1.5 teaspoon of crushed cumin. Next we'll add in a teaspoon of dry pomegranate seeds. Next goes in some salt to taste. Add in a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Also add in 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I added in some water, this is optional. When everything gets well combined, add in 2 chopped green chilies and turn off the flame. Here the potatoes are completely boiled, remove the water and then peel them off when they get on room temperature. For preparing the dough, take half cup of oil or ghee. Next add in 250 grams of all-purpose flour and mix it well. Here I have added half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Knead the dough with the help of water, but keep in mind that we need a dough that's not too soft. When the dough gets prepared, keep it aside. Now we'll prepare the filling. For preparing the filling, roughly mash the potatoes. After mashing the potatoes, add in the spice mixture that we prepared earlier. Mix the mixture well. Here I have added in 1/4 cup of fresh coriander. This is optional. Divide the dough into small equal partitions. Make small bowls out of each partition and then fill as shown. Prepare all of the sheets like this and then place one over the other. Here I have prepared all of the sheets. Now we'll cut them from the center. I've prepared the slurry using some water and all-purpose flour. Here I've prepared all of them with the same procedure. Deep fry them in hot oil on medium flame. Remove them from the oil when they're golden brown. That's all for today. If you guys enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the black thumb blue. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.